6 islands sit on this grid, each one holding a number. This one hasn't got its bridges yet, so how many will it take? Each island's number is exactly how many bridge ends have to touch it. Bridges only run straight along rows or columns, never on a diagonal. Between any 2 islands, you can build at most 2 bridges, side by side. Bridges can never cross each other, and every island has to end up in one connected group. That 2 in the top left corner only lines up with the 3 below it, so a bridge locks in straight down. A second line joins it, giving that corner its full 2 bridges. The 3 at bottom left still needs 1 more, so a bridge reaches sideways to the middle 4. Up top, the middle 3 sends a bridge straight down to that same 4. A second line doubles it, so those 2 islands now share 2 bridges. The middle 3's last bridge runs sideways to the 2 on the top right. That top right 2 sends its second bridge straight down to the bottom right 2. One last bridge links the middle 4 to the bottom right 2, and every island now has its exact count, all in one connected group. Bridges is not just connect the dots. It trains constraint logic, since a number caps exactly how many bridges its island can hold. It trains spatial planning, since every bridge has to stay straight and clear of the others. And it trains big picture thinking, since the whole board only works when every island links into one network. Want to try connecting some islands yourself? Open your browser and go to playmemorize.com/Hashiwokakero, or scan the code on screen if that's faster. Then start drawing your own bridges, one island at a time.